Hello dear friends. Today we see the steps of lignin degradation. First is depolymerization. It is the process in which depolymerization of aryl and biaryl compounds such as beta aryl ethers occurs. This step is a non-specific step that occurs extracellularly. Depolymerization occurs as a result of cleavage of beta O4 ether bond that represent about 50% or more bond in the lignin. This step decreases the length of lignin polymer to obtain the dimeric or oligomeric units, which can then further degraded into smaller molecules. This step is catalyzed by different lignin degrading enzymes found in many microorganisms like peroxidases and phenol oxidases. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.